Essentially, the idea is that there are these applications that are very critical, very useful, and require deep skills. And if you can come join a company like our size or somebody else to help develop these applications and make them so easy that anybody can join the platform, create some of these applications, then you would help the world create some of these beautiful, wonderful applications that will help the humanity in the world, right? And the other two applications on this screen is robot assisted surgery. There's a lot of research going on, and these robots can have a precision up to less than a 1 micrometer, which a human hand cannot. And especially when you're doing surgery in the parts of human anatomy, like human brain, it's very important to have that kind of stability. And so, healthcare field and things like headband to detect seizures, and there are number of applications that would make you feel useful, make you feel, it'll enable you to make the world a better place with TinyML. And there are only two reasons. One is it's very inexpensive. You can create an application and showcase it around under $50. And if it's scalable enough, you can go to a venture capitalist or somebody who has money to start a company and see if you can create the entire technology by building a TinyML application on top. So